Good afternoon, everyone. I, Dachin Shushkit, Assistant Professor at the Department of Travel and Tourism Management, welcomes you all to this valedictory session of the 10-day GAN course on tourism research, development, and branding of spiritual and wellness tourism destination. I would like to begin by acknowledging that this distinguished program is part of the prestigious global initiative of Academic Network GAN, an initiative by Ministry of Education, Government of India. It is indeed a matter of pride for us that this marks the second GAN course being successfully conducted here at the University of Ladakh, continuing our commitment to fostering global academic collaboration and knowledge sharing. During this 10-day GAN course, participants explored the potentials of Ladakh, unique natural, cultural, and spiritual resources in developing it as a hub for wellness tourism. This program blended academic insight with practical exposure. Now, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed dignitaries, Professor Sakit Kushwaha, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh, Dr. N. Suwari Ashton, an Associate Professor at the Graduate School of Tourism Management, National Institute of Development Administration, NIDA, Bangkok, Thailand, International Faculty GAN course, Dr. Rajendra Kumar, Assistant Professor at School of Vocational Studies at Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Delhi, Host Faculty GAN course, Dr. Sonam Joldan, Dean Academic Affairs, University of Ladakh, Shri Ngawang Tunduk, Registrar, University of Ladakh, Dr. Jigme Dechin, Dean, Student Welfare, University of Ladakh, faculty members, participants, and students present here today. It is a pleasure to have you all us with in this valedictory session. To begin with this session, I would like to request Professor Sakit Kushwaha, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh, to kindly present a seminar to our international faculty, Dr. N. Suwari Ashton, and our host faculty, Dr. Rajendra Kumar, as a token of appreciation. Sir, please. Rajendra, Rajendra sir. Just a minute. Now, I would like to request Shri Ngawang Tundu, Registrar University of Ladakh, and Dr. Jigmet Bachchan, Dean Student Welfare, to present to present this is a token of appreciation. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to invite host faculty Gyan coach Dr. Rajendra Kumar to share his thoughts with us. Sir, please.
Jule, good afternoon and namaskar. I, Dr. Rajinder Kumar, extend my regards to learned agri-scientist, academician, and visionary leader of visionary leader Professor Saket Kushwaha ji, the Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh. I extend my thanks and regards to Registrar, University of Ladakh Nabang Tunduk ji. I extend my regards to DSW, University of Ladakh, Dr. Jigmeet Heshan. I'm thankful to all the students who attended this workshop, including I'm very uh, respectful and very thankful towards Dr. Mentok who gave me this opportunity to be a part of this program, and it was really feeling like a homecoming for me because I have been worked here for more than 3 years, and it's really amazing experience for me. It was not a, it was worth learning, worth attending, worth delivering experience for me, I'm feeling like I have achieved something now after delivering this course, after interacting with so many potential highly productive students. And um, uh, Sir Vice Chancellor sir, I want to inform you, or I want to convey a thing to you. These students really very productive. They have good thoughts and fast learners as well, and they have vision, but they are shy. This is the thing. And when you are in tourism, you are not supposed to be shy. You are supposed to find the reason to communicate with others. You are supposed to showcase your things. You are supposed to showcase your resources to the world. So without communication you cannot communicate in tourism industry, it is for sure. So once again, thank you so much to all of you, and especially our honorable vice chancellor sir, mentok ma'am, dsw sir, and registrar sir. I hope I will get more invitation from University of Ladakh to work with University of Ladakh. And final words I want to share with the students, those who are interested in research, and any of you need any kind of help in context of research, I'm always there for you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable support and expertise throughout this course and beyond. Now, may I invite Dr. N. Suvari Ashton, International Faculty, Gyan Course, to kindly address the gathering. Please.
Thank you very much. Um, what I'm going to say that I will be very sad to leave tomorrow, but I will be back. Just call me Anne. Dear Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Sakit Kushbahar, respected member of the management team, esteemed faculty and staff, dear participants and lovely students. Good afternoon. I am deeply honored to be here with you at the close of this meaningful journey. The 10-day GANS course on tourism research, development, and branding of spiritual and wellness tourism destinations. I would like to extend my sincere, first of all, thanks to the Ministry of Education, Government of India, and Ladakh University for funding and hosting this meaningful and impactful course. I would like to express my sincere and heartfelt gratitude for the warm welcome, generosity, kindness I have received from everyone at Ladakh University. My first visit to this breathtaking region had become a truly unforgettable experience. This course had not only provided valuable knowledge and perspectives, but also create a spiritual of sharing, curiosity, connection. From our discussion on destination branding and spiritual research method to conversation on culture, authenticity, and wellness. The depth and diversity of idea exchange were truly inspiring, not only myself and to the student and all to the members. I wholeheartedly congratulate everyone on the successful completion of the program. From my observation, that is truly, I mean that, it had made a real difference, particularly in the way students have grown in mindset, skills, attitude. Many have shared that the course inspired them to commit to a healthier, more balanced life and has motivated them to pursue both well-being and prosperity. Dear student and participant, your energy, encouragement, and respect made this program vibrant. You made me feel not just like a speaker, but part of learning community. I believe your passion will continue to shape the future of spiritual and wellness tourism in India, Ladakh, and beyond. Special thanks to the Vice Chancellor, Professor Saket. Thank you for your visionary leadership and genuine care, and extend not only to guests like myself, but as I observe, also to your colleagues, your staff, your students. Your thoughtful present and support have been evidence throughout my time here, and your kindness, your dedication will leave a lasting impression on me. To the organizing team, everyone, especially serving me the hot coffee, black, no sugar, no milk. To the organizer, everyone, every person when I walk into the building, faculty, staff, thank you for your hard work. Your smile, I learned how to say hi, Julie, and your behind the scene dedication that made everything run so smoothly. Lastly, a heartfelt thank to you, to my dear colleagues and good friends now, Dr. Stensin and Dr. Raj. From every beginning, when we start writing this project together, your respect, your kindness, understanding, unwavering support, and thoughtful guidance have mean so much to me. Your general care made my journey to Ladakh not only a keynote speaker but a guest truly meaningful and memorable. As we part way today, I do not want to say goodbye, but rather see you again soon. I leave Ladakh with a heart full of appreciation and joy. I never feel far away from home during my time here. Only welcome, inspired, and truly blessed. Until we meet again, as a wellness researcher, I warmly encourage you to continue nurturing your health, your heart, and your soul. Let self-care grow and radiate outward, bringing positively well-being to your loved ones, your community, your country, and the world. Lastly, I wish you all success in all you aspire, along with good health, abundance, and most importantly, never forget to embrace and enjoy a beauty of life. Don't forget, sound mind, sound body. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor N. We are grateful for your invaluable contribution to this program. Thank you, ma'am. We will now have a short experience sharing session. May I invite few participants to come forward and briefly share their reflections and learning from this course.
Good afternoon, everyone. The 10-day course was very useful for me. So to be honest, the 10-day course was a bit long, but I got to learn so many things. And especially Dr. N has mentioned, it was the wellness tourism destination was kind of new for me. I didn't know much depth about it. So you told us about the places like Leh, how to control our tourist influx, and where we can develop a new tourism product, and where we can. And you told one thing. You told that how should we love our own places, how should we respect other places, and you also told about you also took us to so many countries and told about the cultures and festivals. That was very new for me. And Dr. Raj, he has been always supporting me when I took admission here about my research, and he also clarified about the methods, the especially the PLS. I was very confused. I got to learn from this session very clearly, and he told about how to become a good researcher, or how to research very well in terms of academics. And yeah, these things I really learned from this Gyan course, and I'm really thankful to both the speakers. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Uh, yes, English comfortable, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Vice Chancellor, Sir Saket Kushwaha, um, respected professors, uh, came here from foreign, and N. Suwari Ashton, Dr. Rajendra Kumar, and all the faculty members and my friends. I would like to say that this 10-day course was very beneficial and very valuable for us. I have learned so much about wellness, spiritualization, uh, and research, how to do research. About wellness, we have learned how food affects our wellness, how exercise, how maintaining our daily life can affect our health and physical benefits. By doing yoga and meditation, we can achieve our goals like healthy living. And from research, I learned from Sir Rajendra Kumar that how to approach people, how to approach tourists majorly, that how to do research and how to use AI as a meaningful and helpful tool to do our research. And thank you. I have to say nothing.
So good afternoon everyone. So सर हमने ये 10 days कोर्स थोड़ा लंबा हुआ पर हमने बहुत सीखा कि फर्स्ट टाइम तो सर बहुत बोरिंग लगा कि क्या अब क्या पढ़ाना, इट्स सो बोरिंग। पर जब फर्स्ट डे तो बहुत बोर हुआ सर, सेकेंड डे तो फिर अच्छा लगा। अब टुडे इज लास्ट डे, अब हमें आज, हाँ आज लास्ट डे है, फिर भी इतना जल्दी गुजर गया, कैसे गुजर गया पता ही नहीं चला सर। सो जूनियर से भी इतना कॉलेज में बात नहीं होते सर, सो जूनियर से भी हम इतना फ्रेंड्स हो गया। हम फोर्थ सेमेस्टर हूँ सर मैं, सो जूनियर से भी फ्रेंड हो गया। और यूनिवर्सिटी में भी टीचर से हाय हेलो हो गया सर, और बहुत सीखने में मिला। और हमने साइकिलिंग भी किया, बहुत अच्छा लगा सर। रिसर्च कैसे करना और वेलनेस एंड स्पिरिचुअल कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारे लाइफ, वही बहुत सीखा है सर, इसलिए बहुत अच्छा लगा। थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू सर।
रुबीना 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 भी, रुबीना समझ नहीं आएगा। शिना में गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन, गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। शिना में बोल तो असांजे आनी 10 दिनों कोर्स ज्ञान कोर्स है असांजे थालेस। तो सर असर लाए वक्त जो है सिलेबस रिवाइज भी फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड सेमेस्टर में जो हमने पढ़ा था वो थोड़ा बहुत रिवाइज हुआ। और असों से पहले रजिस्टर बुरी लगभग ज़्यादा मोस्टली रिवाइज मिली। तो बड़ा स्पिरिचुअल का वेलनेस टूरिज्म बारे जो रजुन हाथ से बड़ी या कैसे मेंटेन करना है हमारे मतलब स्पिरिचुअल और वेलनेस को अपनी डेली लाइफ में। और राजेंद्र सर से भी दोबारा मिलने का एक अच्छा मौका मिला, जिन्होंने हमें बहुत सारा सपोर्ट किया है थर्ड सेमेस्टर तक रिसर्च में। और थैंक यू फॉरेन फैकल्टी डॉक्टर एनी एंड एवरीवन, थैंक यू।
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। मेरा नाम कौसर बानो है और मैं ईजीएम कॉलेज से हूँ और मैं सेकंड सेमेस्टर में पढ़ती हूँ। इन 10 दिनों में हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाने को मिला है। सर रजिंदर ने भी बहुत कुछ सिखाया है हमें, और मैम ने भी हमें यहाँ आकर बहुत कुछ नॉलेज गेन किया है। हमने ज़्यादातर मतलब टूरिज़्म के बारे में और थाईलैंड के बारे में भी बहुत कुछ मैम ने दिखाया हमें। और मैम ने वेलनेस टूरिज़्म के बारे में सिखाया, और सर ने रिसर्च टूरिज़्म रिसर्च के बारे में बहुत कुछ सिखाया हमें। शुक्रिया।
What she said that she learned a lot about wellness tourism from you, and about the research from Rajinder sir, and about Bangkok, Thailand as well. Places you have shown, she said. And Rubina, what she said? I forgot about her. I'll tell you later. Anyone else?
Good afternoon to all of you present over here, respected Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh, all the faculty members, seniors, classmates, juniors. Good afternoon. Uh, Ma'am, I can speak in Hindi because my English is not so good. तो तो इन 10 दिन के कोर्स के दौरान पहले पहले दिन तो बड़ा मुश्किल हुआ कि कब 5 बजेंगे और कब हम घर जाएंगे। फिर धीरे धीरे मतलब आदत हो गई और हमें फील्ड विजिट जाने का मौका मिला। नीमो हाउस गए और हमने सर्वे भी किया और वो काफ़ी बेहतर अनुभव था टूरिस्ट को पूछना लद्दाख के बारे में। और राजेंद्र कुमार सर और मैम एंड मैम राजेंद्र सर से रिसर्च के लाइक बेसिक से राजेंद्र सर ने रिसर्च के बारे में बताया, मैम ने वेलनेस टूरिज्म के बारे में बताया और मतलब 10 दिन अपना उन्होंने 100% दिया। वो बात अलग है कि हमारी तरफ से इतना अच्छा रिस्पांस नहीं आया। माफ़ी चाहेंगे सर मैम। और आज का दिन तो लाइक कैसे बीत गया पता ही नहीं चला। लाइक एक अच्छी सी बॉन्डिंग हो चुकी है सीनियर्स से, यहाँ के स्टाफ से, और इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा। थैंक यू सो मच।
Shall I translate a bit? Okay. I think he said that during initial days the course seems to be very long, 10 days, and till 5 they have to wait, and then they said they had field visit and they enjoyed. Now there's a bond between among students themselves and with faculties at the university and Gyan course, so they feel comfortable and enjoy the session. Yeah, and thank you, thank you both of you, he said. Okay. Thank you all for sharing your experience. It is heartening to hear how impactful this course has been for you. We'll now move to the certificate distribution ceremony. For that, may I request our dignitaries, Professor Saket Kushwaha, Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh, Shri Ngawang Tunduk, Registrar, University of Ladakh, Professor N. Swari Ashton, International Faculty Gyan Course, Dr. Rajendra Kumar, Host Faculty Gyan Course, to kindly come forward for the certificate distribution. Dr. Jigme Dechen, Dean, Student Welfare, University of Ladakh, to kindly come forward for the certificate distribution. I will call the names one by one. Please come forward to take your certificate, okay? Miss Tashi Dolkar, EGM College Lay. Hello. Acha, Mr. Stanzin Dawa, EGM College Lay. Mr. Stanzin Kunkhap, Eliza Joldan Memorial College Lay. Kunkhap. Mr. Stanzin Chosdon, Miss Chosdan, Mr. Stanzin Chosdan, EGM Lay. Choldan Lay. Chosdanina, okay, yeah. Chosdan. Miss Tanzin Angmo, EGM Lay.
You know why registrar is very interested in giving certificate to him? Because this boy is from his white village. और क्या बोला सुन लो सर इसको क्यों नहीं बोल रहे
Mr. Jinpa Sonam, EGM Lay. Mr. Jinpa Sonam, EGM Lay. Miss Tanzinang mo. Stanzinang mo. Stanzinang mo. Miss Tanzin Dolma. Miss Tanzin Dolma, Department of Commerce, University of Ladakh. Mr. Sonam Deldan Namgyal, Department of Commerce, University of Ladakh. Mr. Sonam Chospel, EGM Le. Mr. Sonam Chospel. Mr. Chiring Yacho, Department of TTM, University of Ladakh. Mr. Kumail Abbas, Department of TTM, University of Ladakh. Ahmed Hussain. Mr. Sewang Namgyal, Department of TTM, EGM Le. Mr. Delex Namgyal, EGM Le. Delex Namgyal do. Phunsuk Chosdun, EGM Le. Tashi Wangdus, EGM Le. Ms. Shuskit Wangmo, EGM, Department of TTM, EGM Le. Mr. Mohammed Imran, Department of TTM, EGM Le. Ms. Rigzinangmo, Department of TTM, EGM Le. Miss Intisam Tabassum, Department of TTM, EGM Le. Intisam Tabassum. Yeah. Hello. Miss Phunsok Dolma, EGM College Le. Yeah. Miss Phunsok Dolma. Mr. Siring Jorfel, Department of TTM, University of Ladakh. Miss Jigmet Rangjung Lamo, Department of TTM, EGM College Le. Miss Jigmet Rangjung Lamo. Mr. Nazakat Ahmed Awan, EGM Le. Rangjung Lamo. Miss Tanzinangmo, EGM Le. Miss Tanzinangmo, EGM Le. Mr. Urgen Phunsok, EGM Le. Urgen Phunsok. Mr. Nurbu Zangpo, EGM Le. Miss Phunsok Dolkar, EGM Le. Phunsok Dolkar. Phunsok Dolkar. Miss Sona Mangmo, Department of TTM, EGM Le. Mr. Sonam Tsepel, Eliza Joldan Memorial College Le. Sonam Tsepel. Sorry, Sonam Tsepel. Miss Stanzin Tseldan.
Miss Tanzin Seldan. Miss Tanzin Dolkar. Mr. Riyaz Ahmed. अच्छा नहीं है. अच्छा. Shamshia Bano. Kosar Bano from EGM College. Arifa Fida. Mr. Gulam Mohammed. Arifa Fida. Arifa. Mr. Nawang Gelson. Nawang Gelson. Najuma Bano. Najuma. Najuma.
Rubina Bano, TTM Department, University of Ladakh. Najuma Rubina. Stanzanangmo EGM Le. Miss Stanzanangmo EGM Le. Miss Kanis Fatima. Miss Phunsok Dolma EGM Le. TTM Department. No, EGM Le. Miss Phunsok. Miss Dixon Lotus, TTM EGM Le. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Please. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thoba le sangmala certificate thoba. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. It is indeed an honor to invite Professor Saket Kushwaha, Honorable Vice Chancellor. Okay. It is indeed an honor to invite Shri Ngawang Tundu, Worthy Registrar, University of Ladakh, to kindly share a few words with us. So, thank you.
Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Saket Kushwaha, Dr. Ann from Thailand, Bangkok, Dean Student Welfare Dr. Jigmet, Dean Commerce Dr. Mantok, our expert speaker Dr. Rajendra, faculty members and dear students. First of all, July and good evening to everyone, and thank you for giving me this opportunity. I just hope you all have learned a lot in the past 10 days, and this journey that you have, जितना भी आप लोगों ने सीखा होगा इस जर्नी में, थोड़ा हिंदी में बोलूँगा आप लोगों को वो होने के लिए, जो भी सीखा होगा टूरिज्म के बारे में, ये बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. और जो आपका टॉपिक है, ये लिखते हैं डेवलपमेंट ब्रांडिंग ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी, वेलनेस टूरिज्म डेस्टिनेशन के बारे में जो आप पढ़ते हैं, और टूरिज्म जो रिसर्च है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू मस्ट रिमेंबर कि लद्दाख में टूरिज्म का कितना महत्व है ना, कितना महत्व है. लेकिन हम जो टूरिज्म कर रहा है ना यहाँ पे लद्दाख में, वो अनप्रोफेशनल टूरिज्म है, मतलब फॉर्मल टूरिज्म नहीं है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल किसी के पास लाइसेंस नहीं होगा, कोई ऐसा गाइड नहीं होगा जिनके पास, कोई भी जिसके पास थोड़ा बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है, किसी भी एजेंसी में जाके आप गाइड बन सकते हैं, है कि नहीं है. आप गाइड बन सकते हैं, आप कुक बन सकते हैं, या आप वो हेल्पर बन के आप जा सकते हैं, ऐसे ही आप एक्सपीरियंस गेन करते हैं. लेकिन बहुत ही ज़रूरी है लद्दाख में भी ये जो सस्टेनेबल टूरिज्म जो कहते हैं उसको बढ़ावा देना, और इसमें आप लोगों का बहुत बड़ा रोल है. तो मैं आशा करता हूँ और कि आप लोगों ने ये जो 10 दिन में जो सीखा होगा ये आगे आप लोग यूज़ करेंगे अपनी ज़िंदगी में. आई जस्ट विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट कि आप लोग सब यूज़ करेंगे जो भी चीज़ें सीखा होगा. जैसे हमारे डॉक्टर एन है कि ये आपके बैंकॉक से आए हैं और इन्होंने बैंकॉक के टूरिज्म के बारे में भी आपको बताया होगा. तो बहुत ही ज़रूरी होता है टूरिज्म में क्वालिटी मेंटेन करना, बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. बिकॉज टूरिज्म में सबसे बड़ी बात है कि आप एक दूसरे के रिश्ते बनाते हैं, है ना. यू मेक रिलेशनशिप्स, यू डेवलप रिलेशनशिप, दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन टूरिज्म. और टूरिज्म का स्पिरिचुअलिटी में जितना मुझे समझ में आता है, आई एम नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट इन दिस टूरिज्म सेक्टर, लेकिन मुझे जो समझ में आता है उससे ये आता है कि हम पिलग्रिमेज बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं. पिलग्रिमेज जब आप करते हैं किसी देश विदेश में जाते हैं, तो स्पिरिचुअलिटी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी जब आप जाते हैं फॉर द अदर कंट्री यू आर अ टूरिस्ट, तो उसमें आपके साथ व्यवहार कैसा होता है, सुविधाएं कैसा मिलता है, वो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. सो आई जस्ट होप ऑल ऑफ यू मस्ट हैव लर्नड वेरी वेल from in the past 10 days, and I would like to say thank you Dr. Ann for teaching our students. They are very very happy and encouraged. And I also would like to thank Dr. Mento for this opportunity, ma'am. Thank you very much for organizing it very well. And, would like to thank all the Department of Tourism and all the Tourism Department, Dr. Dr. Chuskit, and all other faculty members also. Thank you very much.
Okay. He said about the tourism in. First of all, he said thank you, Professor N and Dr. Rajendra Kumar for teaching our student how to keep the tourism sector in a professional setup. He said like in Ladakh, there are tourists, there are agencies, but they are not. How to say? They are not professional. He said, and said, I think students have learned how to have a professional business setup. That's all I heard. sorry. If I miss, sorry. Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring word, for inspiring the students and all of us, and always supporting us. Thank you so much, Saleh. Now, it is my privilege to invite Professor Saket Kushwaha, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh, to kindly deliver the valedictory address. Sir, please.
Sit down, please. Thank you, Madam Chuskit. So, thank you very much, Madam. My sincere greetings to the international speaker, Professor Dr. An, who is here from Bangkok. Thank you, Madam, for coming during this time, and we welcome you. We will not say goodbye because you are going to come back again. Very warm welcome and my greetings to Dr. Rajinder Sir, who was a lecturer here before, and now he's his faculty of another university. The registrar of our university, very energetic young gentleman, Mr. Nawang Tundup Sahab. Thank you very much. Of course, the Dean of Commerce and the coordinator and nodal officer for this program, Madam Mentok. The London DSW, Dr. Jigmet Sahab, who is here. The other three faculty from tourism department, and lady, you are also from this department? Okay, yeah. So my greetings to them also. And on top of the whole thing, the first of all, this camera person who is here, who took pain to come here, and thank you very much for coming and doing wonderful job. My media man, Hamid, he is here. So my greetings to him. And you can see a gentle lady over there who is IT fellow. Good afternoon. Thank you. And then, of course, all the students who participated from this particular university and the college, I welcome you all. Julie, namaskar, good afternoon, assalamu alaikum. Thank you. So, first of all, it is good to note that the task which we took, that means this GAN program for 10 days, this is the GAN 2.0 for us. We just finished GAN 1.010, which was, I think, we finished on 11th or 12th of this month only. And then, yeah, during that difficult period, we finished that program. And then it is good. Madam Mentok came to me to ask that whether we are going to continue this program. I said, yes, nothing doing. We are going to stick to the schedule. And thank to Madam Ann, she came without having any fear and doubt in the mind. So it is good thing for us that we are able to do it. Now let me tell another aspect of this particular program. You see, when you have to understand the circuit, that means, when you go to Bihar, you will find a lot of circuit like Buddha circuit. So those people who are interested in pilgrimage, they will be going to, a tourist agency will give them that we are going to take you to the 5 places, and it will be of 3 days. So I give you a task. We are going to help the students from this particular university as well from the AGM college, that let us design some circuit in Ladakh on tourism, and we are going to give the historical perspective and distinct feature of those spots. So we can always tell people that if you come for spiritual tourism, and this is the circuit, and it is for 1 day or 2 day. So we will take them to, like, if it is a spiritual circuit, I'm not a competent person to tell you, but like we can take them to 4 or 5 places and going to cover 4 or 5 places where we have monastery and then Buddha on stone. So we can do that one. So like then we could have like a circuit for this wellness. So I think we have to identify some of the places where they are doing this kind of exercise. Like I remember very, very well in southern part of the country, in Kerala and other part, they have this kind of circuit. Like, you go for treatment and all those kind of things. So wellness center could be there. We have lot of tourist kind of concept. We have slum tourism also. We have medical tourism also. Then this kind of tourism, we have this kind of concept. So let us make it concrete for Ladakh. So this is what we can do. I just asked Dr. Tumdut that whether any institution is giving guiding license, tour guide license. So if they are not doing, we are going to offer a course for tour guiding license. So we will do that one. So this is one thing. What I promised, I was just discussing with Dr. Tumdut that I'm going to link all of you with one Switzerland travel agency. And they used to bring only dedicated guests. That means only 2 members, husband, wife, or maybe 4 members. 2 husband, wife, 2 couples. And then they will be requested to come to Switzerland. Agent will come, go to Switzerland, receive the guest from there, and they will bring them to India and give them tour for 15 days. And they are highly paid. I mean, for one tour, they get about 2 lakh or 3 lakh rupees. So I'm going to link with that agency, so that we can see if we can do something, because this is highly needed. This is highly needed. Now let me come back to the topic, research and other thing. I do agree that this particular program happened when we are in the within the examination period. But let me tell you one thing. Like, we should not panic for exam and those kind of things. How many of you have seen or maybe attended the program Pariksha Pe Charcha by Honorable Prime Minister? How many of you? Raise your hand. Maybe a few of them. Okay, maybe. But maybe students, they don't know. There's no need for you to have any panic when you have exams, provided you know the technique how to attend the exams. So that is why Honorable PM, he has done 12 charcha, 12 workshops on Pariksha Pe Charcha, 12 workshops. And if you have not attended any one of those workshops, I believe that I'm going to get the recording for you, so that we can host those recording on our website, so that you can download and see it. So it is necessary. See, exam will come and go. So why to panic? All those lectures which you have attended, we are going to ask you question from those area only. So there's no need for you to have any kind of panic when you have exams. But I feel happy that during that period also you find it easy to attend this program. So let us clap for the student, for their courage, for their dedication. And it is possible that in these 10 days you might have not learned something, but at least I believe that at least 150 new words you have come across. So try to know what these words are, what they mean for you, what they mean for the tourism sector, what they mean for the course, what it means for the society itself. So we are going to organize such kind of program very soon. Madam, you are going to have a program? Madam, 3rd of June. We are going to have another program on tourism on 3rd June, seminar. So I think we can also invite the students to attend the seminars if they have registered. If they have not registered, they should register. And if exams are there, then they may take time not to come. So these phenomena are very common. And you know, like today, I started inviting some of the, my daughters to speak from this platform. It is necessary for you to practice. If you cannot express yourself, why these conferences and seminars are important for you, or these such kind of courses, it will also give you a platform for interaction. Express your feeling. Sometimes we give you chance to express the feeling, to bring out your fume also. You might have lot of issues about the Ladakh, about your society, about university, about the teaching, about the curriculum. And this is the right platform. When you are taking food, apart from discussing tourism or this particular topic, you might also discuss those issues which are bordering around you to make your life easier, or to give you some extra information. So that is why this the break for the tea, break for the lunch, these kind of things are happening for you to have out of the context discussion. So this habit is very necessary for you to inculcate among yourself. So if you have this kind of a habit, sooner or later you will not have any inhibition to express yourself, right? So with all these words, I once again thank all the people who participated to make this program successful. Thank you, the international speaker, and thank you, Dr. Rajen, Mentok Madam, Registrar Sahab, Jigmen Sahab, Chustit Madam, and then everyone here, and all the team. Thank you very much. Jai Ladakh, Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your inspiring words and your vision that motivates us all. Your patronage is exemplary and work is a lighthouse to all of us. Now, to conclude this valedictory session, may I now invite the local coordinator of the GYAN course and course coordinator, University of Ladakh, Dr. Stanzin Mantok, to kindly deliver the formal vote of thanks.
Thank you, Chushkit. A very good afternoon to everyone. It is my indeed great honor and privilege to me to deliver a vote of thanks on this special occasion as we conclude our 10 days GYAN course. So on behalf of University of Ladakh and the organizing committee, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Saket Kushwaha, for his constant support, inspiring words, and gracious presence as a chief guest of today's valedictory session. Sir, your vision and encouragement continue to guide our academic pursuit in meaningful direction. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to express my sincere thanks to the foreign faculty, Dr. N. Suwari Ashton from the NIDA, National Institute of Development Administration, Bangkok, and the host faculty, Dr. Rajendra Kumar from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, for sharing their invaluable knowledge and international perspective. Your insights have enriched our understanding and added immense value to this GYAN course. And I also would like to thank Dr. Rajendra for framing this course and make it possible to accept in the GYAN. Thank you so much, sir. A special thanks to Registrar Shri Nawang Tundup for constantly support us whenever we need any kind of help. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. And I also would like to thank our Dean Student Welfare, Dr. Jigmet Dejin. And whenever we need any transportation, whenever we need any support, he's always there for help us. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. And your cooperation has been crucial in the smooth execution of this event, and we hope in continuation of such kind of cooperation in the future as well. Thank you so much, sir. I also would like to thank the faculty member of Travel and Tourism Department, Sir, Ma'am Chushkit, Ma'am from the Education Department. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for your cooperation. And to our enthusiastic participants from the EGM College and the Department of Travel and Tourism Management, thank you so much for your engagement, curiosity, and the contribution in this 10 days GYAN course. And and your presence and active involvement had made this Gyan course interactive and impactful. And I hope you have learned so many things in this 10 days Gyan course. Thank you so much. I would also like to acknowledge the Ministry of Education, Government of India, and the Gyan team led by IIT Hyderabad for providing us with this opportunity to host such kind of significant academic event in the University of Ladakh. Thank you so much. Finally, my deepest appreciation goes to the organizing committee, technical team, Angmo, Tsiring, Youngzes, and all the team, our video recorder, Mr. Vikrant. Thank you so much for always available here from 9:30 to 5:30, and sometimes it goes to 6 to 7. Thank you so much, Mr. Vikrant. Thank you. And I also would like to thank all those who are worked tirelessly behind this scene. Your dedication and hard work made this program a resounding success. Thank you so much. Once again, thank you all for being the part of this 10 days Gyan course. We look forward to hosting many more such academic events in the future. Thank you. Thank you so much. Once again, I extend my thanks to one and all. Thank you so much. With this, we have come to the conclusion of the 10 days Gyan course on the tourism development and branding of spirituality and wellness tourism destination. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your sheer motivation and unwavering dedication to make this program a successful one. With this, the 10-day Gyan course stand concluded. Everyone, please rise for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
हाँ जी sir. Please gather outside for group photograph. Thank you all once again for your presence and participation. Wishing you all a continued success. Thank you so much.